Hey guys, a long time no see. So we finally have a middle schooler. Woo. So today's actually their last day of summer break. I'm so sad. I just got back from Yunwoo's school because we had to drop off most of his school supplies. And I also picked up his favorite donut. This is so good. Guys, this is so good. The honey glazed and then the campfire. So right now it's 12. For lunch, we are just going to make Korean food from Trader Joe's. That's right. Trader Joe's has a lot of Korean food now in the frozen section. Like they have kimbap, and they have japchae noodles. That was really good. And they also have tteokbokki. They also have bulgogi. Hi.
Hello.
Yeah, I went to your school and I dropped off the school supply.
Okay.
I thought you're so good. Okay, so this is actually Son's favorite. We do add some fish cake, odeng, in here to make it better. And then we ate this at my friend's house a few days ago and she mixed cabbage and onion in here and it was so good because she said it's kind of salty?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little salty. Yeah, we're gonna add some water, cabbage, and onion with this. Isn't this flower so pretty? This is living for so long. It's been over a week. So my friend, she's a florist, and I went with her to a flower warehouse.
What's that?
Is it wholesale flower warehouse? And I picked these up. Hydrogen. What's it called? They're my favorite.
수국.
Hydrogen did something. Run to Target really fast to get cabbage. Be back. I told Aiden to start making the tteokbokki while I run to Target really quick. So, Yunwoo, can you film Dad making tteokbokki? Okay. Can you vlog?
Okay.
I have to go to Target.
Okay.
So it will be Yunwoo's cam starting now.
잘할 수 있겠지?
잘하고 있다니. 말을 하면 이제 자를 수 있지 않아? 이거?
아니야, 나 칼 쓰면 안 된다.
누가 그래?
엄마가. 초장.
설치하면 돼. 좀 모자라서 떡을 더 넣을 거예요. 영어로 뭐라 그래?
You gotta put more stuff.
네. 물을 넣을 거예요. 얼마큼? 적당히.
적당히.
다 넣을게요. 그리고 이따가 어묵을 넣으면 돼요. 그 피쉬 케이크. 양파는 양파 좀.
양파도 파는 파야?
파요.
You guys, I'm back. I just bought some cabbage. And we're gonna mix it with this frozen bulgogi. I forgot we also have this guk that Susan 언니's mom gave us. So I'm gonna heat this up.
다시 넣으면 돼. 어디요? 말하네 이거.
Okay, this is done, so I'm gonna heat this up now. Ready.
아직 더.
There you have it, Trader Joe's tteokbokki.
Easy.
Oh, did you add more tteok?
Yeah, very good.
You showed them?
Yeah.
What's
접시 작.
I love sesame seeds. There you have it, Trader Joe's bulgogi, and this is a lot. This was just one pack, you guys. Okay, food's finally ready.
풍선.
扔桶手手揉趴趴ring
자연의 소리.
자연의
현우!
물 엄청 많이.
몇 개 괜찮다. 1968년에 만들었거든?
헐, 56년 전에. 아, 살만한 사람인데.
인간이었으나 유엔의 급격한 확산과 알 수 없는 원인으로 인간이 쇠퇴한다.
So full. Okay, so we'll be going to Korea this month for Kian's wedding, and I think my dress just arrived, so I'm gonna try it on and see if I like it. If not, I'm gonna have to return it and get something else. This also arrived to my friend Suin. When I go to Korea, she asked me if I could get her 4 of these. So I got it from Amazon. She said this works the best. Like, she has super dry skin, and the ocean mist is her favorite. Are you done eating?
No, yeah.
I ordered a black dress online last time, and after I tried it out, like, the fit was weird, so I had to return that. So hopefully I will like this dress. So I got this from Nordstrom's, from the brand called Dress the Populations. I noticed they had a lot of really pretty dresses. So I'll be back. I think I'm just gonna go with this. It kind of looks black on the camera, but it's like a navy shade. Sleeves are a little loose, but I guess that's good because it'll give me room to move around. Yunwoo's getting ready right now because he has an orthodontist appointment. He does have braces. He got it 7 months ago. He has to wear it for 2 years, so we have like less than a year and a half left. Before we go, I want to show you some Amazon finds. So if you guys watch my reels, you guys know that I recently got the Dyson Airwrap, and I love this, you guys. Like, I can't live without this. Kind of style my hair after I show you guys the other items. Okay. The next Amazon find is this flat pillow. So I've been having like neck and back problems, you guys know, so I've been going to chiropractor for months. I tried changing my pillow, like 10 different pillows, and I finally found one that works. And since I'm petite, I needed a very low pillow, so it was hard to find a very, very low pillow that's under like 2.5 inches, but I got one for 2.25 inches, I believe. That was the smallest I can find, and it does work great for me. It's like a gel foam, so my head like sinks in like perfectly, and it lines my like neck. I did wash the cover, and then this, it does have like a smell for the first day, so I just left it outside for 1 day, and then now the smell is completely gone. If you guys are having neck pains, maybe you guys should try this pillow out. They have different sizes as well, like they have thicker ones. Next is the air purifier. So we actually have 3 of this, but we bought 1 more since you guys know the kids now moved upstairs. They have their own room, so we had to place mine in their room, and then I got a new one for my room. Actually got this like 2 weeks ago, and look already how much dust is collected in here. Ooh. I'm gonna clean this. But especially if your room has carpet, you should definitely get that because it will collect a lot of the dust and all the nasty stuff in the air. Okay, we have to go. I'm gonna style my hair really quick, and I'm gonna film a short reels before I head out. We did like this reels trend where I draw a heart, and then we have to like kind of imprint it on the other person's face. So I already did that with the kids, but today I'm going to do it with Aiden. Okay, all done. Okay, let's go. The orthodontist is like 20 minutes away. You ready to get your braces tightened?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Show your smile.
A longer appointment. It's going to be about an hour long. You can go ahead and have a seat, and we'll call you back shortly.
Okay, thank
So
you.
you're welcome.
Doggies. Today's appointment will be 1 hour. This was a trend when I was in high school.
Oh, look at my teeth.
Ooh, nice. I went to H Mart and bought a couple stuff. So their favorite chips, this Coca-Cola always sold out. So I bought 4 bags of that. And then this steamed dumpling cloth thing from the steamer. Guys, I just got home. I have to clean up a little bit because I haven't had time to clean this week. So my inner table is a mess. Oh, my 2 favorite. Oh shoot! Skincare tonight before I go to bed. My favorite perfume, Chanel Chance. Also my favorite is like a little teddy bear pouch. I like to travel with this. So many things can fit in here. It's like really big. When I first received this on Amazon, it kind of smelled. So I threw it in the washer and dryer. A lot of people ask me what's my to-go lipstick at the moment, and it's this 3 Concept Eyes Snow Glass. This has always been my favorite for years, but I kind of stopped using it, and then I recently started using it again. Yes.
Hello.
Are you sad school starting?
Yeah.
We didn't do anything
What's that?
this summer. We didn't go anywhere. We just stayed home.
No.
We went to VBS, Vacation Bible School. That's all we did. We didn't
No.
travel. We didn't go anywhere.
우리 저기 에일리 콘서트.
I know, but like vacation. We went to
It
an
was
Ailey
vacation.
concert here in Oklahoma. It was amazing, and we got to meet her and take photo with her. It was Yunwoo's first concert, and he really liked it, right? And we are going to Korea next summer.
Yeah.
We already bought our flight tickets,
Yes.
so we're gonna kind of just save up from now until then, so we can have fun next year. Aiden's actually turning 40 this year, so he wanted to go to like Hawaii or something for his birthday week,
Oh.
but I think we're just gonna like save and have fun next year.
Yeah. 허리를 쭉.
So my curls are kind of like straightened out, but I actually like this. I prefer like the natural loose type of waves. If you want your curls to last longer after you use the air wrap, you can just spray some like hairspray or something. Your haircut is next week.
Yay.
When I went to dinner, I forgot my vlogging cameras on my phone. This place is like 10 minutes away from our house. They have really good chicken and they have really good tteokbokki.
이거 what if?
Waiting for a few more chickens.
그냥 떡볶이에요? 네. 저쪽에.
So we're back. I couldn't really vlog a lot at the chicken place because it was so loud and like the music was loud. So we're back home now. Tom is not here. He's sleeping over at
Friend's
his
house?
friend's house. And Yunwoo is here because he is going over to his friend's house tomorrow at 10 a.m.
Yes.
So he couldn't go.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so excited about the steamer for steamed dumplings. Since Hanu's at his friend's house, Yun is sleeping in our room. We made a bed with our sofa.